चुप हो जा, आप चुप हो जा. Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a C program to find the minimum and maximum number from an array. Array में से हमें minimum and maximum number find करना है. Okay, so let's start the question. Int main, and now I will declare an array int. Let's the name of array is arr, and size is I think size should be n. Okay, and I will take the variable n. It is the size of array. Okay, and now I will take the input of array and the size of array. First I will take the size of array. Printf, enter the size of array. Okay, and now I will take the input of array. Enter array here, for int I barabar 0 and I less than size of array. What is the size of array? N. And I plus plus, and in this line I will take the input of array scanf modulus d comma ampersand a double r at index I. Okay, to find the minimum number, first I have to declare min equal to 0, and for that I will make two functions, min and max, because I have to find the minimum and maximum both values. So I will make two functions. First void minimum. Okay, and I will pass this array into this function. How to pass the array? Function name, what is the name of function? Min, and array name a double r comma size of array n. Okay, and in this function I will write int array comma int num. Okay, num is the size of array. So now I will declare 0th index to be minimum. So int minimum equal to array at 0 index, and now I will compare the element which is at 0 index to all elements. How? I will start for loop int I equal to 0 to I less than size of array num and I plus plus. In this for loop I will add a condition. If minimum is greater than array of I index, then I will write minimum should be updated by array of I. Okay, and after the for loop I will print the minimum value. Minimum is modulus d comma min. Okay, and now I will make another function max, void max, and same things, int array comma int n, and I will declare first element as a maximum element. So int max is equal to a double r at 0 index, and I will compare this max with the all elements. If this is less than array of I, then I will update max is equal to array of I. I will start for loop int I equal to 0 and I should be less than size of array what n. Okay, and I plus plus. I will write a condition. If max is less than array at I index, then I will update max by max is equal to array at I index. Okay, and I will, after the for loop I will write printf max is modulus d comma max. Okay, and in the main function I will call both the functions max and min to find the value of max and min. So max a double r comma n and return 0. Okay, I have not take the input of n, so in this line I have to take the input of n modulus d comma ampersand n. Okay, so let's run the code. Let the size of array be 4. Okay, and array should be 5, 7, 30, and 2. Okay, so minimum is 2 and maximum is 30. Okay, the minimum जो minimum number है वो कितना है इस array में 2 और maximum कितना है 30. Let's run the code again. Let the size of array be 5 and array is 90, 40, 30, 60, and 100. Enter. The minimum is 30. What is the minimum number in this array? 30. And what is the maximum in this array? 100. So the maximum is 100. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.